Hey everybody, we're going to do a little bit of Groundhog. I'm in the D tuning, and I'm going to do it as a series of notes. So we're going to think about our frets. We're really good at getting our frets up the neck. We're going to have 10, 8, 10, 5. That's our first phrase. I'll do that again. 10, 8, 10, and 5. Then we stay on that 5. We go 5, 3, 5, and open, all on the first string. Do that again. 5, 3, 5, and open. Then the second fret on the first string, open. We change strings. Second string. We're going to do a little bluesy note. Third string, third fret, and open. Let me do that phrase for you. 2, open, second string. 3 and open on the third string. The big finish. 2 on the first, open, and the second string with our D chord. So here's the whole thing, what it sounds like, nice and slow. I'll describe it, and then I'll do it without talking. 10, 8, 10, 5, 5, 3, 5, open, 2, open, the bluesy phrase, 2, open, second string, and the words. Load up your gun, whistle up your dog, load up your gun, whistle up your dog. We're off to the woods to get your groundhog. Oh, groundhog. I'll play it one last time.